People always say there's no such thing as the perfect crime. But I don't agree with that. If you plan things carefully enough, if you think through every last detail, if you have nerves of steel, you can remain calm no matter what happens. There should be no problem you can't handle. It's really all a matter of character. Of course, if I had any character, I wouldn't have stolen $2 million from my boss. Christmas Eve. Ho ho fucking ho.
Come, they told me, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, a newborn king to see, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, to lay before the king, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. So to honor him, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, when we come.
Well, how'd it go? Good. Went good. How much? A lot. Am I gonna have to slap the shit out of you? How much? Vic, it's a great big fucking pile of money. $2,147,000 and change. My God, we're actually doing this. No, we're not doing it. It's already done. I mean, don't be so worried. The hard part's done already. Everything worked just like you said it would.
Yeah, I guess. Just act normal for a few hours and we're home free.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You want to take the money and not me?
You want to take the money?
No, I don't know. I was just.
Well, if you want to take the money, I mean, if you think you can do a better job of guarding $2 million.
No. It should be you. It should be you. It's just we didn't discuss that.
Are we through discussing it? Or is there more to say on the subject?
No, we're done.
Cool. Okay, shut the door.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Charlie.
Yeah.
Act normal.
Yeah.